Nu, zin kā, šņabis sasaldē, tomēr saldējums.
Ja
Tur
šņabis
kāda
sasaldē, nav kaut kāds
temperatūra?
riktīgs šņabis.
Tev kāda temperatūra vajadzēja, lai šnabi sasaldē?
Kaut kāds nelabs šņabis laikam.
Kaut kas kreisais izklausās.
Ko?
Īpaši gatavots mājās.
Let's start!
I haven't played tutorial before, so I think it's gonna be okay.
Baba boo.
So everybody here's a pro, right?
I
Everybody
haven't
knows how
played
to
that
play.
tutorial.
Didn't you see yesterday? Our Paul is
Mani var dzirdēt?
Tev var dzirdēt.
Ļoti labi.
Now we just gather sweet loot.
Okay, okay.
Oh, somebody got run over.
Already?
So,
Pagā, šeit mošķi mainās līmeņos vai paliek tie paši, nu kā...
Yeah, we'll get new monsters.
so how do you interact with things?
You click, left click. Or E. You can press E if you want to use something, but I don't think we have like anything usable right now. So we have almost 3k in the cart. We need almost 8. Oh, champagne, nice. Do, 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 do. So everybody is gone.
There's some loot in the chest back there. In the bathroom.
Oh,
I hear you. So we are close, I suppose. Okay, that's definitely not menacing things to say. Scream if you're dead.
Vai, Dēnija?
ir briljanti saplēs.
Okay. Tu esi
Tā,
dzīves.
tas nav dzīves.
Tā, kas viņš dovāts? Tu redzēji, kas viņš dovāts?
Kā tur iekliedzo? Ja kāds pīli neaiekam.
Man liekas, pīle nav tā, kas šeit galinos cilvēks. Man tāds aizdoma, zini? Te ir tas, bļaļ. Te ir tas spoks vai kas viņš ir, creepers. Man liekas, viņš joprojām tur ir. I'm gonna save you. Mums jau 10 štukas teorētiski.
Jā.
Mēs atkarīgi, cik mēs gribam sapelnīt daudz naudu, bet teorētiski opīla. Kā mums tur... Bļāvis, tur vēl kaut kāds lūdz, ko ņemt ir, bet es nezinu, kur tas mošķi ir. $12 štuks.
Oh, shit, no, 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 no. Oh, shit. Bet aiz muguras man arī ir kaut kāds.
Ok, es sāku lēnām bīdīt šo zizai. Vai mums ir kaut kāds lūdz vēl nāk? Es redzu, ka galva tiek nēsta. Man liekas, mēs gandrīz jau esam gana daudz lūdzu savākuši. Mēs varam
Jā.
nodot. Ja tur kartē 2 kaut kādu lūta rēgojas, bet tur ir arī tas mošķis. Būs kaut kā neveikli, ja mūs novaipos pirmajā.
Okay then. Ejam prom.
Pīški tupšāks čot palika.
Yeah.
Jā, vēl.
We survived!
Almost.
Barely.
Is everybody here? Seems so.
Now, yes.
Well, there's a lot of people now. Okay, shop. We could afford 1 strength upgrade and not a lot of else.
No other strength upgrades.
Well, we have enough money for health upgrade, I suppose, or 2 stamina upgrades.
Can we get grenade?
I mean, if you want to use
Tagad,
it.
es domāju, nevajag granātu pēc tam.
Tumble launch upgrade. Okay, somebody's really ambitious about the tumble launch. So we buy.
Yep.
I
And
got this. Trust me. Sorry, it had to be said.
I have the consent.
Oh, holy shit. It looks so fucking nice.
Contraption. I can't see shit dooming.
Oh, thank God.
Oh!
what was that?
Oh,
Sounded
well.
expensive.
Mary absorbed the entire love potion with all the glass shards as well. What is that?
Good question.
There's- Okay, the door broke a little bit.
As long
Ooh,
as it's only a little bit.
this looks nice. Oh,
Oh dear.
oh. Wait. Card is here. Card is here. Yeah, good. We have big
What
ball.
the fuck is that? Jesus, that's glass of wine, is it?
Yep.
Okay, the cube.
Uh-oh. Man nepatīk tie smiekli.
Kaut kas smējās?
Aha, tur vairāk
Mums
seši.
ir, mums ir
How much?
baby.
Oh, wait.
The baby.
Can we make... Can we make the car... Can we
Good shit, bud.
Can we do the cart as well here?
It's the baby. I seen. Oh, oh.
What's wrong with the
It's the
baby?
Slender Man.
It sounds cute.
It's not cute at all.
Oh, it's running as fast as fuck. What the hell? Oh, it's behind us?
Yep. Coming here.
Uh-oh. Somebody exploded.
Yeah. Yeah, someone died. What's that about?
I think there's a monster here. Somewhere.
Really?
I have a strong suspicion that there's a monster.
Sure.
So we need our second extraction. I suppose it's somewhere in front. Oh shit, there's something. I don't know what, but there's
Oh,
something.
it's the damn knight.
What does it do? It's on second floor. Okay,
Oh, no.
extraction point has been found. And we have enough
I
money to extract. Just
Oh, cool.
by the way.
Extra. Yep.
Whoever has yeah, card is here.
Yeah. I'm good.
Is there any good stuff here? A little bit in that room there's a bunch of stuff, but
Te ir ļoti daudz mans, Daniel, palīdz.
okay. Careful now. I have this thing. This very easy to break diamond. Okay, great. Diamond is safe. So if we have all the stuff, we can just go forward.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Now for the fun part. Trying to get back a lot.
So yeah, we can already go, right?
Well, knight in front.
Yep.
In front. Shit. Where's front?
Front is over here. Where is looking? Yep, he's right here.
Okay, wait, but we can go through the left side, right? I think so, at least.
Yep, there is a monster downstairs.
I hope that nothing is chasing us.
Yeah, for sure.
I hope not.
Don't worry about it.
So,
Slender Man for a
the one
second.
thing is we don't know if they're dead or alive.
Yeah. 'cause we don't
Somebody's
have the upper-
coming.
Oh, there's two. There's three.
Oh,
Okay, we're all good.
that's-
Okay, let's go, close door. Start engine.
I
Okay,
died before.
for
Heard something
now,
yelling.
What's that?
but
What's
nobody.
that squeak again?
I think it's birds, no?
I
Parrots.
think it was in game.
No.
I have the best luck. I just looked at Slenderman last time and he just grabbed me and I killed him. He killed me.
Yeah, that's precisely what I was telling you. Like, the Slender Man is dangerous.
So what kind of upgrades?
But he was right. At the beginning.
Consider the orb. Ow.
Map player count upgrade. So expensive.
Yeah, but it tells you if everybody's dead or not.
It only tells it to one player.
So the best player who will survive the longest can use that.
Last time I got this upgrade, I fucking died very soon.
So I'm all set with upgrades. But we have still like 17k, so we can buy a
Are updates for everyone or
range
one?
upgrade. No, these upgrades are for one player, so you just pick up. Okay, I will put in sprint speed update as an upgrade as well. We have the money, so why not? Range upgrade. I suppose nobody wants that. Player count.
I mean, range is pretty good actually.
Okay, let's buy it. We have enough money as well. Okay, I think we are all set.
You bring it to this.
Oh, okay.
But the money that we have collectively is up top, so if it's more than
It's
2K,
two.
it means.
Yeah, okay.
But you can just grab it if it's a health pack. Just spam E as we leave. You
But
can
it's
bring
usually
any health pack.
it's
basically
PK
a
though.
bug where it allows you to heal if you just grab a health pack, spam E. It's gonna heal you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah, grab it and then spam E on it.
Yeah, spam now.
Oh yes, it did. Nice.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, my upgrade. Oh, there it is. Thought I got scanned. Look at these beautiful cables. White, yellow, and red. Somebody
Awful
connected a
old bills.
console. PlayStation 1.
Ļoti brutāli mājā iekriesis. Tāpēc nevar pa smuko telsā. Nemodināt neviens mons.
Whoa, holy shit.
There's something good.
3 items in the safe. Usually I find none.
Yeah. Okay, where should we go with the cart? Another clock or radio. We are. Okay, we're almost there.
Šeit ir vēl dažas lietas daudzas.
O. Reku kartes, atvedu kartu.
Ow.
What the fuck? Why I keep rotating?
Bruh.
As soon as I pick the block, I keep rotating and I can't control anything.
Oh god, it's this
what's that-
cute
what's that?
monster.
Okay, I'm falling back to quit the cart. We lost a lot of value.
Cik lietas, Alien behind.
Oh god.
Neskaties uz lūtu, Kadilija. Neskaties uz lūtu. O, šits imponēties. O, nē, nē. Nē! Es sasodīts.
Oh, viss lūt, nē.
Nē, lūdz. Nē, viņš man atkal noķēra. It's dead. It's dead.
Nā.
Mums abus divus. Galvenais, viņš tev atlaiž, tev vajag baigi skriet prom, viņš tev atkal nesaķēra. Bet mēs zaudējām baigi daudz naudas.
Run, don't let him
Tagad tā kā pilnīgi, mēs jau bijām gandrīz gatavi atvērt vaļā tās durvis.
come under here.
Es tā jūtu, ka tur ap to kartu ir kaut kāda stratēģija, ka viņu pārāk uz priekšu bītīt arī nav laba doma savādāk.
Sigma boy.
Atskries kaut kas.
Can they
Nu,
hear us?
jā, tas
No,
kāds,
he can't hear us at all.
viņam kaut kur jārāja biškiņ, nu, tā kā uz aizmuguri pastāvīgi, nu, varbūt, nezinu.
Bet doties atgāja, mēs viņu pavīdam uz priekšu, mēs varam vairāk lūt ātrāk savākt.
Es nezinu, vienīgi es domāju, ja mēs nākotnē to mazo minikārtu nopirkt, viņā var visāds mazās sīkās.
Viņš briesmīgi maziņš.
He's not around.
They
Es
hear?
nezinu, ar viņu vienā ziņā to kā ērtāk, kā ātrāk par šaurām vietām. Nu,
Yeah,
Just have
probably
to run
not.
as fast as possible.
kaut kāds sīkums, ja viņā mest iekšā tīri. Pero,
Mēs tu varam jau kaut ko pavaidāt, ja mēs tiksim vispār līdz nākošajam veikalam.
bieži vien diezgan daudz ir tādu sīkumu, uz kuriem var, nu, viņi it kā, teiksim, tu viņus samet lielajā kārtā, bet viņi, kas
Because then she'll just count.
pēc tam grūtāk lielās lietas kaut kādas uzlikt virsū ar tiem
1,
sīkumiem.
2, 3. Okay.
Ko ceru, ka tā lēla ir vērtīga.
Viņi bija kaut ko vērt, viņi maksāja, man liekas, diezgan normāli. Pat viņi ielas, 4,5.
There we go. Drop it. There we go. Okay, now we gotta get the two that died, I think. No.
I got alien shot, by the way. He's dead.
Oh, you got the alien. Damn.
Yeah, he's dead.
You got Sigma boy. I can't believe this.
Ok, viņam pietiek naudas, bet redzēs, vai viņi mums gribēs atdzīvināt.
Vai viņi ir mankārīgi roboti vai nav.
O, karta tiek bīdīts, bet viņš tiek zīzē bīdīts, vai viņš tiek pretēji bīdīts prom no izais. O, nē, ir, saprast, ka viņi paņēma uz galvas.
Tad pirmais rauns beigsies.
Vienu galvu es redzu iekšā kārtā.
I think I got 2 heads
Tā-
in here.
Man vai tavs?
So there's
Okay.
4 of us.
Nē,
We can
tā ir mana
go
galva,
ahead and
bet
revive.
tavo.
Yeah, because there's
Mēs jau nosprāgām abi divi viens otram blakus, tā, nu, es domāju, ir.
Is there another one of us somewhere?
There's a lot more over there.
Revive.
Viens pulkstenis nokrit. Viņi neiznīcinās gadienā tagad. Viņš tās maliņas stāv.
Jā, nē.
Mēs dzīvojām.
Welcome back.
Hey.
Hello.
Okay, we have really small baggie of money this time. So...
There.
Okay, 2K, not bad.
Kaut kas nošķaudījās.
Okay, tikai no kuras puses? There's a bunch of items there, so let's go there, I suppose. I have cart.
Tur bija kaut kāds vējš, es dzirdēju, ir ok?
Look at item.
I've got
Look at all
radioactive
this
mass.
stuff. God damn.
Oops. Man jau likās, ka mēs visu šito tad vēl mantu nozaudējām, bet nav.
No, we're the tax service. We're not stealing. It's legal because we work for the government.
Oh shit! My ops are stroķi.
Oh, what
The man is
the
gone. Grandpa is gone. Grandpa is gone.
Who?
Grandpa is gone.
Hunter, I think.
I suggest you not make any noise near him.
So what do you have to do? Get out of there, hunters.
Nerunā. Viņš rēģē uz skaņu.
Giant guy.
Probably.
Fuck the vomit monster.
Puke monster.
Yup.
Oh crap. But we don't know if the exit is there, so yeah. I suppose priority number 1 right now would be to find the exit. Kas tur ir? Okay.
Careful, there's
Mēs
hunter.
zinām, kur ir izēja. Tad jābūt karts uz izējas pusi. There are items.
Jāmeklē izēja šeit vienmēr, mēs nevaram atgriezties sākumā.
Mums vajag nodošanas punktu atrast. Tā, tur kaut kāds items ar kartē pa labi ir. Tu vari mēģināt viņu paņemt, es spīdīšu taisnu uz priekšu. Vienīgi viņš nav liels kaut kāds. Kas tur ir? Ā, ir visai liels.
Jā, redz.
Pagā. Ka es neko neredzu. Ceļam. O, ir, dāj, ņem kartu bīdus priekšu. Let's go.
Yeet.
Aiziet karts arī.
Oh jeez.
Alright.
Nice.
Do we have the corpses?
Corpses?
Yeah, looks like
Somebody died?
Some of them.
Oh shit.
Bless you. Proper dad sneeze.
Hello again.
Now for the fun part.
Mary reproduce. Nē.
Kur tas? Kāds cipelnētiet redz? Sūds! Nē! Sasodīts! Nē! Atkal maita ciplanēties! Man likās, es paspēju. Neiet un šoreiz uz ciplanēdienu. Bet jāsaka, es biju domājis, ka spēle būs baisāka. Viņi īstenībā kaut kā galīgi. Tagad, kad tu iespēlējies, ķipa nekādas scary faktori vēl beigās nav. It kā ir tumšs, bet tie visi pretinieki tik paredzami un tik komiski, es nezinu. Tā kā.
Mēs te palielināmies.
Jū.
Negaidīju, ka viņš spawnos vēl viena.
Es nevarēju saprast, kas tur pie vēla bija. Tur bija kaut kāds VM ārā, kaut kāds lidinājās.
Viņš it kā neko sliktu nedara, bet viņš tā kā, traucē vienkārši.
Kas traucē?
Tas vēmeklis, kurš to pielīd klāt.
Viņš neņem nost HP. Jo tā kā man bija 1 HP, es no viņa bišķi raustījos. Es domāju tāds, viņš kaut kādu damage dara, ar 1 HP tu būs dead.
Varbūt. Bet tas godīgi sakot, nefiksē.
Ok, mūsu Sims un Mērī 2 palikuši izdzīvotāji.
Iepriekšējo alienu.
Ok, Mērī tika, bet vienīgais Mērī nezina, ka mēs vispār esam beigti.
Jā, that's the problem.
To mednieku baigi labi, ka viņš var nošaut citus enemijas arī.
Tehniski Mērī varētu vienkārši paņemt un maukt prom.
Jā, bet man kaut kāda nav mīnus no tā, ka tu aizskrien nepaziņot cilvēkus.
Es nezinu.
Jo es nezinu, cik viņi tagad ilgi gaidīs. Jo es nevaru saprast, kur Sims vispār ir, ka viņš ir tuvu vai viņš ir tālu. Jo Mērī vienkārši...
Kaut kur ielīdz. Kur viņš ir ielīdz?
Tur man te jāsaprot, ir vispār kas tik briesmoņiem.
Ja tu redz briesmoni, parasti tas nav uz labu. Tas pamata princips briesmoņi.
Nē, es saprotu, bet katram ķipa ir savs veids, kas tev jādara.
Mošk. Vai reku šitas ciplanētietis tevi saķēru. Un es nezinu, cik liels range viņam ir. Kas ir? Ir kaut kāds liela degunu mošķis, jo tas ir, viņam atkal ir attālums šāviņš. Ja viņš ir rage attacks, kas ir iebīgs. Ar tām lielajām kurpēm tā kā.
Jā, viņš ar lāzeru tur mauc. No savas nuķa vai kas jau tur nezinu.
Teiksim, ko tas bruņinieks dara, man nav ne jausmas, es viņu tikai tam viglāni redzēju.
Viņam ir tā gravitācijas arī.
Tā kā
Viņš uzsita savu bombu pa zemi un velk visus klāt savu. Tad viss uzsprakst.
Ir arī kaut kāds mošķis, kas smagi elpojot saķer tevi un aiznes prom kaut kur uz kartas. Citu galu.
Tas neredzamais, jā.
Paskat, kā Mērī godam gaida.
Lidojošo galvu.
Ir.
Let's go!
Šādā reiz es varu pateikt viņai, ka vispār ir dead.
Jā. Nifigā!
It's a good thing
The
if
amount
you...
of times I got shot at.
I got wiped out right near the exit.
No, the funniest thing was I accidentally went by the blind guy and he didn't see him. I was like, oh, Jesus Christ.
So, we have a lot of money actually. That's pretty nice. But is there... Oh, strength upgrade. Strength upgrade. We definitely want that. And we are all out of money. Oh, somebody did buy health pack?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
That wasn't even me.
Jā, tas sanāca.
Nē, ja viņi paņems mūsu galvas un aiznesīs atpakaļ uz spawn point, es domāju, būs ok.
Jesus.
Bet stulbi ir tas, ka tas pakāsts šobrīd visu savu dzīvību. Es nevarēšu tagad uzhīloties laikam.
Have no idea.
They blew up because they killed themselves.
Man liekas, mūsu gals neviens nenesīs uz spawn punktu.
Man
Did a
tāda
Kurt
aizdomā.
Cobain cosplay.
Galvas!
Jap. Pa mums strauji aizmirst. Es, protams, nezinu, vai viņš ir respawnojis tur.
Hello.
Why do we have some kind of energy cube?
It's
Recharge
to
drone.
Recharge certain items.
But we don't have a drone.
Wow,
Why? Some
that tumble launch is
who
badass
bought
right
this
now.
one? We don't have anything to recharge.
Oh my god.
And I have
No.
1 HP. Great.
Perhaps it will get better.
Tā būs.
I'm sure somebody can share their HP.
But was Dark Souls runs, yeah?
Jā.
Menestrel, stop.
Hard one.
I've stopped. Thanks. Paldies, paldies. Viņš tagad varbūt neesam one shots, esam two shots.
No, I'm still one shot. One shot. One
Ok,
shot.
mēs esam atkal būri midzenī.
Oh jeez, that's some big stuff already. Is that a sword? It is a sword.
You
Wow.
can stab something, you know?
11k.
Ooh,
In the
this
vase.
is
Watch the vase.
Where's the card?
Here's the card.
Menestrels mums ir stiprais.
Oh,
You can take the vase.
fuck, mēs varam piebīdīt. Let's move the card closer
go.
to the vase. It will be safer now.
Yeah.
How much is the wave?
It's
All the-
decently heavy.
All the money.
Depends how
Yeah, rich.
intact it is.
Oh, no.
Shit.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, let's lower it. Yeah, it's stable enough. We have 70k. We can actually move this. But I don't
Nice.
like the store that it's poking.
Mhm.
What the fuck is that?
Then warrior
No.
princess.
Oh shit.
Oh, jeez.
Nu, bet tā.
Nē, maitas gabals! Māsa!
Oh my god!
Mēs tik sasodīti uzmanīgi viņu tur likām. Nē! Būs lūdz!
How do you get rid of this guy? Ko darīt ar viņu?
Nu, ja kāda bija gradāts, var vest to gradātu virsū.
Come here, dumbass. Ah.
Viņš dovērs viņus uzmanīgi, bet ķipa, mums lūta vairāk nav. Mums vairs nav ko vest uz punktu, kaina.
Zobens.
Tā tad jāmeklē.
A cik vai zobens ir vērts? Zobens kaut ko ir vērts vispār vairs? Viņš 11, viņš lūkst mums pa īsi, mums vairs nepietiek.
Nu jāatrod vēl tagad. tad.
Jānoliek šī galva drošā vietā.
Okay.
Oh no.
Trūkst, cik pietrūkst, krīksīt. Ok, tas te izklausījās labi. Aha! Šits nav slikti, es jau zinu, kur vēl viens punkts. Bet es kaut kā neesmu baigi sen dzirdējis nevienu dzīvu cilvēku, kas man... Okay, there's people live. We have almost enough loot to respawn some people. I think we are missing
Got a
like
lot more
1k
dead.
maybe. 14. How long? We are barely enough. We have barely enough loot.
I
To
found
respawn.
probably that spot where can be some fast and stuff.
I'm going to respawn the guys. Shit. Sasodīts. Vai kāds man dzird? Ejo! We need some additional loot. Uzmanīgi, ok, uzmanīgi, bet mēģina aiznest viņu uz punktu. Ja mums trūkst kaut kādi, mums kriksīts trūkst.
Es vēl parādīšu, tur mašana augšā pa kāpnītēm otrajā stāvā meklē. Tur ir daudz kas, ko var atrast.
Nu, pēc tam tagad tu aiznes šito te, un pēc tam var tur kārtā izbīdīt. Jo tagad gādājis respawn no to tautu. Būs vairāk rokas, kas meklēs lūtu.
Ok, mums ir minimum.
Oh, wait, you can make it, you can make it.
There we go.
Yay, everybody's live.
Oh, you found my head.
Wow, and we have 5k extra, nice.
Okay,
There's
let's
the
move on.
really big ball. It's like somewhat nearby to the new extraction point.
Es zinu, kur ir vēl
We
viens
need to go to
extraction
the
punkts.
stairs, like, to the stairs,
There's an extraction
to
point
the
on the
second
left
stage,
side
to the
there.
floor.
I can open it. Oh, somebody opened it already, great. So, where's the loot? Cadillacs? Sasist okarīna. Te kaut kur vajadzēja būt lūtam pēc Cadillac baumām. Bet es čot neko neredzu. Kartē rek tur, kur jā, tur, kur te es, tur ir kaut kas. Nekā vairāk nav. Jā, ratiņi ir lejā. Mums tik pagaidām baigi trūkst. Tā. Mums ir bijuši knapi. Labi, nu bijuši virs 5. Kāds kaut ko uznes tur. Un tas kaut kas strauji zaudē vērtību. Kas tur notiek? Pļā. Ok, šeit lūta nav. O! Te ir buba. Potions.
Ir 10 štukas arī šitā kastā.
Pagaid, paušot desu, tūlīt varēs atnest to. Es varu pacelt to paušot, un es viņu aiznesīšu līdz kārtam pa fikso. Ok. Tā, kas tur ko kasti? Ok, galvenais mierīgi. Easy does it. Tā, durvis ir tur.
Es atvēršu durvis.
Tā. Karts. Pļāvēdz, bet...
Mums tas sīkais ir pidars.
O, nē, sūds, maita!
Pidars.
Nē, piķis! Čais, bet piķis! Tā, kas mums, cik trāki ir? Bet es viņu varam uzlikt, pēc neizskatās, ka varam, bet var mēģināt. Varbūt ir kāds tur. Ok, kāds paņem kārtu, mēģina bīdīt viņu.
Mēs ejam pareizi, jā?
Jā, tas kas. Es nezinu, vai tas karts reāli palīdz, vai arī būtu bijis vieglāk bīdīt ar rokā. Tā, tā, tev uzvajag, tev vajag. Bet tā kasta nezaudē vērtību, tas viss ir nice. Tā, pak to kastu vajag iebīdīt iekšā.
Labdien!
Dieniņi.
11 štukas.
Ok, tikai mums tagad vajag atrast to pēdējo, kur ir vispār pēdējais punkts. Kāds redzējis viņu?
Nē, vēl nē.
Šobrīd nav skaidrs, kur bīdīt karti jau mums. Bet mums būs pa īsu, visdrīzāk mums vēl vajadzēs items.
Ai, bļaļ.
Es izteikšu likmi, ka mums jāiet pa labi.
No kura punktu? No tevis?
No manis. Es bīdīšu šito pusi kartu. Es ceru, ka tā nav kļūda.
Es redzu apstīties priekš.
Es uzkāpšu augšā paskatīties, kas notiek pa kāpnēm.
Jā, tur man rāda, ka jautājums zīmīti varētu būt.
Jautājums zīmīt, tas ir vienkārši, ka neatvērtu vietu.
Man tā rada, pat interesē.
Jā, augšā šeit ir.
Tu viņu atvēri?
Jā.
Ok, 15 štuks. Tā šeit rāda, ka ir kaut kāds liels lūci. O, vāze. Ok, uzmanīgi. Careful now, careful. We have a card over here.
How much loot here?
I think it's enough.
More than enough. Okay.
And now we... O, bet tā vāze vienīgi uz maliņas baigi. Viņi nesašķēdīs. there something here?
I heard something.
Ah, shit.
Oh, we have to get back, yeah?
Yeah, with her.
Okay, okay, there's that side lady or whatever. Okay, ah shit, I have eye on me, but I don't see shit.
Go straight, go straight, go straight, no, go back.
Oh, ah.
Go straight, go back, go back, go back, go back.
I.
Go along the walls, no.
Oh, just barely.
What the fuck?
Fuh. Es nezinu reāli, vai tur kāds izdzīvoja. Bija visai liels confusions.
Nu tad piedodiet.
Destroy. Skrien! Skrien!
Kill.
Yep. Yeah, I got killed. I was just right there. I was out of stamina, so I just completely fucked. Almost made it.
Almost.
Ow.
Oh,
Oh, there's a fucking huge... How do you use this? Can you hit someone?
Lore. Or someone.
This, I guess. Doesn't do much.
But at least you
Oh, oh, it can.
little guy.
Just keep hitting.
Somebody's buying health pack. Somebody's playing fair.
You don't need to buy a health pack.
It doesn't do much.
Īsumā tas Zero Gravity, viņš ir ļoti labs, ko teiksim, ka tas aliens paceļ tās mantas, un ja tu paspēj aktivizēt to
I
bombu,
think
tās
we
mantas
don't need that health pack. We can buy everything else.
You can just steal it.
Why to buy? Why
Yep,
buy things if you
I'm gonna
can
do that.
steal? Okay, somebody who has health, press the start engine button. Ow!
Yay!
There we go.
I did hear a beep, a menacing beep. Like, like a
Someone
grenade
bought a
being armed.
grenade.
Mechanic station. Yannick.
I guess we're in Poland.
Let's go.
Where are we? In Poland?
That's what I'm talking about.
I mean, it says Macchiato.
Oh.
Maybe it's some Scandinavian name. Maybe he's Swedish.
Okay,
Not
big box.
using. Kur man nes
Au.
lejā?
Ugh. Great.
What the fuck?
Neesam atpakaļ kāst.
Bring.
Bag,
Great,
bag,
ko
bag, bag,
neredz.
bag, bag. Viņu kaut kā vajag taisnāk ierotēt.
We might as well just bring it to the extraction point at this point.
Yep.
Okay, am I holding
Since
it?
it's so close. Yeet.
I don't see.
Oh, Jesus.
You've got an entire server.
In your face.
Repo ain't playing around.
Where the fuck I have to go?
There we go.
Find
Okay, I
another
hope that
stuff.
this positioning is okay.
Well, hopefully it is. Yeah. Alright. Good stuff.
Sweet, sweet money. I think I see at the back that there's some loot on the right side, but you go straight. Hopefully somebody will. Ah!
Oh god.
Right in my face! You have a laptop.
Dell laptop. Ar tādu papīru dabūt mums nav labi.
Tas bija Windows.
Jā.
Es pieņemu, ka mums vajag šo te karti taist, ka tur gan jau kad nākošais punkts ir. Ja mēs šeit jau visi esam visur bijuši, ja mēs neatradām neko, tad te nekā nav. Tādu jālaiž taisni. Es tikai kaut kā baigi daudz dzirdu lietas.
Oh, fū, es nobijos, blē.
Ooh, it was scary item. It's floating on its own. Okay. I am in the lab. I see loot. Some loot. There was loot, definitely. Ah, it's just a bunch. That's very exciting.
We found the
Oh,
next room.
vēl viens servers. Adēja kaut biohazard cast. Tā, kur ir, mēs šito varam bīdīt uz otro punktu, man liekas, ne? Šis būs gana vērtīgi. Ā, fakti, šeit bijis pietrūkst. Bet tāpat jākustā, man jākustās uz to pusi, man liekas, ja? Wait, there's item. Ways. Wait. Oh, there's PC! Desktop PC!
Yep.
11,000. I found a skeleton. $11,000 over here on the right.
Is it heavy?
Probably.
How far is that skeleton? Can we move it here? Because the cart is at the point, but we can move it. Where's the skeleton?
Yeah, like this, I guess.
I think we can squeeze it. Because the route is pretty good, it's straight away. How, can we rotate? Okay, okay. Easy does it. Nē! Bļaķ!
Ah, jeez.
Kurš aktivizēja to? Sasodīts! Tagad mēs nedabūsim šito, tad draģi. Before we move this, we need to find out where's the next extraction point, because we will not manage now. Crap. It was like, we just lost 10k.
Ai, blēģi.
Sorry.
Jo šitas te nelīdīs, man liekas, viršū uz karti galīgi. Nu, mēs varam mēģināt viņu bišķi uzbīdīt. Bet
Nu, ok.
nebūs. Jau mēs uz punktu varējām aizbīdīt. Viņš bija tepat un taisni. Paga.
Es domāju, mēs netiksim viņš pa smagu.
Man it kā ir strength upgrade.
Aiziet, blē.
Ir.
Recharge drone.
Ah! Ok, Brūs, vajag atrast, kur tas nākošais punkts ir.
Shots,
Anyone?
What?
Need a drone.
Ko tas darīja?
Okay, the cart is
I
completely
guess it
occupied by
recharges
this.
your rechargeable items.
But we don't have rechargeable items, so no problem. Okay.
Oh, I found a corpse. How did that happen?
Kā tev liekas?
Emergency meeting.
O, te ir kaut kāds kombines pa 24 štukām. Kur ir? Cik tālu?
Kaut kur taisni.
Jā, bet šeit ir 24 štuks, milzīgs aparāts augšā.
Ui, bļā, domāju, mēs to...
Nē, nu ir ok, es viņu varu nest.
Ok.
Viņa man ir...
Tak, ja es varu kā palīdzēt, bļā, esmu iesprūdis.
Cik tā ledus kluce vēl nav, tur vēl kāds vēl jau vispār ir visu? 8, ne, no 8 ķipa ir ok, bet viņš baigi lielais priekš 8. Cik tālu jāiet, bļā, viņš jāiet tālu, man izskatās, ka jāiet tālu.
Bļā, es nezinu, kaut kur jāiet. Bļā, tas ledus klubs nokrīt. Pak, ne, šito.
Es nezinu, vai šis līdīs caur durvīm.
We have 2 huge items here.
Oh, jeez.
But think about the value.
Oh, no.
Funny
Shit.
greedy bastards.
Oh, no, you have broken the deceitful tube.
Oops.
Yeah, I think it's just a matter of going, just rest in your gut, sort of deal.
I'll help you out.
What the fuck is that?
Who knows, but it's worth money.
The corpse of the entity.
Oh, we have a
And
flying
this
head.
seems, like a meteorological station, perhaps?
This is not a space computer.
Space computer is
hypercomputer.
rapidly losing value, but...
By virtue of not being in space.
Okay, can we squeeze all the stuff here? Hey, it looks
Good, good,
fine. It's fine.
Yeah. It's alright. Oh, did you get any of the dead with this?
Yep.
There's big head. There's big, huge head straight away. Straight.
Do we have to get back now?
Yep, we have to get back, and we have got no...
Gnomes! Gnomes! Fucking gnomes!
What the fuck is that?
Good question.
Shit! Big head incoming.
What the fuck is that?
Ah! Fuck! Ah.
Yeah.
Bet savācu. Novācu.
Man uzbruka kaut kāds rāpojošs briesmonis, man rūķis un arī galvu lidojošs.
Man savāca zilošu galvu.
No, come on.
Bro looks like lemon grab.
Man ir sajūta tāda, ka šeit baigais prostrata būtu, ka
Look, I
visi
don't
jau,
do an ankle bite.
ka visi
Come on.
skrien atpakaļ uz punktu un viens paliek un iebāž pēdējā punktā to items.
Gnomes on you.
Kas ir tie rūķi, ko viņi dara?
Viņi vienkārši skrien tev virsū un haraso, bet viņus var paņemt rokās un sasist pret sienu. Vai grīdu. Tāpēc viņi ir vāji, bet viņi var būt daudz. Laiks, tas ir tas viņu galvenais joks.
That's what he does.
Kaduļāks nekustās.
Klasisks kadiljāks. Kas tad notiek? Vai kur pazud mūsu majonēs? Paskaties, esmu offline vai?
That was Minister.
Yeah, that was probably Minister.
Kadoyox is not moving, so we can leave him.
I mean, I guess we can dip. Because like Cadillac
Yeah.
does not have that much health, it's not gonna make that much difference, and we got
Oh.
You good?
yeah, I'm good. Fucking ankle biters, I swear to God. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Not dealing with this.
I need to get to the track in 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teamwork makes victory work.
I had no idea where you got,
So Cadillac is still AFK.
I guess.
But I think he's just not at his PC because I did check the Discord stream is working.
So that's a good thing we left him.
Yep. I can see
How about
myself
enough
in his
account
Discord
upgrade
stream.
actually went down?
9k.
So the PC is working, Cadillac is not there, so
He's probably talking to someone, I assume.
It's not for me. I'm a com.
Launching across the map now.
stamina. I have a feeling the stamina grades are actually pretty okay.
They're pretty good. I mean, they're what managed to get me alive to the extraction point this time.
So when you start the game, let's say every time, and you have items in front of the ship, how do you pick them up? Using E, the interaction button?
Yes.
You
Yeah,
hold
you
them
grab
like.
them and then you use them.
Yeah.
You hold them and
And
press
then-
E. Okay, we have enough
Last
stuff.
time I was the one who activated the grenade.
Yeah. Like,
Cadillac
if you
is
wanna put it
moving.
in your inventory.
I'm back.
Unfortunately, you did not
you should probably
survive.
Get some health packs.
Oh.
Yes. Get to 101.
Ow!
Survive with a 25.
My tumble launch is really powerful now.
So does anyone to push the button?
Distance wise.
Or everybody's healing?
Healing from my trauma.
There.
So I pick up the
Those-
pack, right?
Somebody
Yes,
again
yeah.
bought the energy cube. Grenade!
Good night.
So the energy cube is gone. That's something.
Super cube.
Yup.
Who did we kill?
I think it
Mary?
was suicide.
Yeah, I think it was Mary.
What's that?
Did that
Yeah,
sewer slide.
If you want to put it in your inventory, for 3. Not E,
Yeah,
because E is
hold it
inactive.
and 1, 2, or 3. Yeah.
Oh man.
Or maybe the
extraction
problem was
points.
that you were not pressing
Last
E
time I used that.
enough.
Oh
We
no,
have
I
a
just
baby
heard
in this map.
bad noise, big lady.
Slenderman.
Big
Ah,
lady.
fuck. Wait, there's an item.
Yeah.
There are items here.
Another one up there. There's a gem.
Gem, okay, I will go and put the gem in its place. Yeah, we have a gem. 4 points, oof. It's starting to get more complex.
Oh. I thought it was a monster. No, it was just a big potion.
I suppose no items here.
Remarkably heavy for a 2.5.
Oh god.
Here's something heavy.
Fuck!
Slenderman behind me.
I don't see it.
God's sake.
But I think something is near us. We don't have enough items already? Actually. Okay, now we don't have enough items. The cart is pretty empty. Wow! Fuck! I see a head. And I don't see a monster. So... bit problematic.
I heard the word fuck.
So does it make sense to move cart to the exit right now because we are short on loot? But the cart is pretty full.
Cik mums tur saka?
Tur 7,7. Man ir doma tāda, ka es varu aizvest viņu un bišķi izkrauties. Tā.
Kaut kāds tikko gļuks bija, kaut kas no sienas nāca ārā.
Tu citi nav teikt, ka tas ir gļuks. Ko vēl kāds vēl ir dzīves? So I emptied the cart. It like that respectable? No. Respectable? No. Okay, I don't remember.
Neviens negrib tos 2000 nest.
Uz 2000.
Kur ir 2 štuks? O, kāpēc šeit pilns ar itemiem?
Just like the cultural secret about skill underscore Wikipedia.
Ok, es nesu šos itemus uz punktu. Tu dzīvo. Vai tur vēl kādi birušie ir, vai tu biji viedīgais?
Nē, es biju vienīgais.
Ok, tā. Tagad jācer kāds no punktu aktivizēs. Nākošais extraction punktu.
Viņi to punktu bija atraduši, cik es
Jā, es to tur redzu savāds items. Lai šito punktu aktivizētu.
Yes, grūtāk sāk kustēties apkārt.
Op.
Yeah, you could load the box in the cart. Would make it so much easier.
Lift it up. I will try to move the cart under the
Let's
box.
try to rotate it as well. A little bit so it...
Don't rotate.
Don't?
Don't, yeah. Then it will be damaged. Like.
Yeah, it kills itself when
Okay,
it's not-
okay,
Good.
this is fine. I
Nice.
will move slowly.
It's good, okay.
You're good.
Give me a four.
You're good. You're not good. Yeah, you're good. Oh jeez. We've got a dead.
Okay, oh shit. No.
Oh dear.
Okay,
You're good.
okay, we are good.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Oh, no.
Okay, keep going. Good.
There's a duck.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Oh no.
Hold it, I hold.
All good.
No! Ah, fuck, I touched the duck! Ah, tas bija smuļķīgi.
It killed the duck as well. So, no, it didn't kill the duck. Okay, never mind.
Well, but I respawned, so that's something.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was nicked by the gate.
Oh, cute little ducky.
Okay, Daniel, you are a babysitter for duck.
It likes me now.
Good,
It's
good.
tasted my blood. Oh shit. Pardas.
What is that?
Frogs.
Frog.
Two frogs, clown, and a slender man. And now a duck as well, cool. Yeah, let's just get
Okay, there are
everybody.
2 cubes here. Where's the cart?
tungsten cube.
We need cart here.
There is
What
a
do we have? 2 cubes?
No, we have a clown.
We can put... I think
have a
it's
clown.
easier
Clown
to carry
incoming.
money.
Clown incoming.
From where?
Like literally
was-
from right in front. Like the next
He was
room.
chasing me around the exit.
Oh shit. Oh, so much value! Don't hide behind items, it's bad idea.
Oh, I have found the cursed book of evil.
Great.
I will add it to the tungsten cube. Noble.
Oh no, don't hide behind items. We are losing huge amount of value.
The cursed thing.
Get over here. Ow.
It's next to the... Okay, the... Frog, we have frog as well. So wait. The clown is almost not at the cart. Okay, cart is safe for now. Oh no, it's not safe. Okay, kur ir izēja? Šitā.
Šeit, aizgurē.
Apā, ko šis tikai 5 štuks vērts? Bet labi, tāpat jāved uz izēju, tad tāpat ir pārāk daudz bobi.
Tiksi? Te ir kāpnes tālāk, uzmanies. Pagriezies apkārt. Uzmanīgi.
Oh no!
Tu vajadzēja teikt, bļāviens, ka tur ir ķipa, ka tur nav, ka tur ir caurums. Un tāds apgriezies apkārt, es tāds
Nē, viņš teica uzmanies, tā ir kāpnes.
Ne, nu jā, bet vajadzēja sākt ar to lavas caurumu pakskapne. Es esmu iepriekš redzējis kāpnes.
Bet šitās bija īpašas kāpnes, tāpēc...
No, god damn it. Seriously? How tough is that thing?
Just be right behind me, just in case I fall.
Yep.
Vismaz divas galvas ir.
Good.
Tālāk.
Now get out of here. Because otherwise we're gonna get... I already know where the last one is.
Okay.
But yeah, it's still in a finicky place.
A lot of monsters, I bet.
Like the next time you need to start with the gaping death hole next to the next to the stairs. Because you're warning me, be careful, there's stairs. That's not menacing at all. Oh, you forgot money bag. Here you go, money bag is inside.
It's kinda small. Like,
Yes, but still.
That's what they said.
It's like decent Latvian salary in there.
Come on.
Are we moving to the right direction?
Think, zināju, kur ir. Yep, okay. So we are moving in right direction.
Oh shit. There's something laughing over there. I don't trust it.
Oh,
And... Oh fuck. There's some baby abomination. Like... Why are you...
It's not over there. It's not over there.
Look at the map.
Oh dear. Is she dead?
So we have... I will take the head. And I will try to... Oh, baby's coming!
What's coming?
Some kind of big baby thing, black. It's at least it laughs like a baby, but it's like long and black. I don't know, man. It killed people. And I suppose cart is lost. I have not seen it in a while. For a while. Oh, there's frog.
Clown.
Frog, clown. This doesn't look good for us.
Jesus, it's gonna be hard to running back.
Well, we need to get to it. We were like 10k short.
Damn it.
We should not look at it, right?
I see a light. Is somebody here? Or it's monster light?
On the map, maybe it got destroyed.
Oh shit, there's the clown thing. And frog.
Goddamn. What a combo.
Need to go and find something expensive. Oh no. I think all the bird stuff is on top of me. But there should be loot somewhere close. This is even something more expensive than clock. Okay, there's a money bag. 3k, not bad. And a head. I'm taking the money bag to the point.
Take the head, I guess.
Oh shit! Clown, 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 clown. And the money is gone! The money is gone.
Great.
So yeah, okay, there's death hole here and a ways. It's I think borderline impossible to get it to the
Okay,
final
I'll
point,
try
but it's 8k, so it
Chances
could
head.
save us almost. Okay, I failed.
Well, it's not gonna
That
save
was
us anymore.
fast. Has someone
got another
seen
one,
any
I've got another
expensive items somewhere?
I've got another one. Might be able to.
Okay. We'll scout ahead.
Thank you.
For now, it's fine.
Okay. Right behind you.
Okay, then 3 meters.
Okay, 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 we're safe. Careful, waves coming up.
Huh?
Waves coming up, vāze nāk augšā, nesasit vāzi.
I think I'm good. I think I'm good.
So, we are short like 4k.
Yup.
And I have not seen anything valuable in a while. Duck.
Duck is fine.
Should we go together?
We can. There's
Take two
500.
numbers?
It's up
I
to
found a 600.
600,
Great,
huh?
but,
Okay.
I mean, 600 is still gonna.
Okay, there's a book. I found a book. Is there a monster? I have a book.
Be careful, it might open and start jumping at you.
So almost there, almost there.
Yeah, not getting.
Did you find any valuables? We need a
there might be
little
something in
bit.
the
The
next
map
room.
shows that there is something.
You know, if you can kill the duck, you get a diamond worth of 2,500, but it flew away and it got destroyed.
The diamond or the duck?
The diamond.
Well, whatever's in this room is in this corridor over there, which we have no way of getting, because we don't have like fucking triple jumps.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
Shadow's about the only person that could do it if you had up. I guess there's no way there.
We can try searching for ducks. If you kill the duck, you
But
can get 2,500.
How will you kill the duck?
I
Smashing
killed
it.
it.
With
I killed
what?
it 2 times.
With what?
You bring it near the edge, and it
Ah,
blows up, and the diamond comes up.
okay. That's one possibility.
Provided
Because
we
I
get a
don't
duck.
see any other items for now. Maybe we need to go a little bit more back. There could be something.
All the way up
No.
on that third shelf.
What?
It's like all the way up on that third shelf. There is the orb.
Okay, and how do we get there? I
Well,
wonder.
ostensibly with this cauldron. But we're gonna take fall damage just coming down, so
I have 1 HP, so I will die.
yep.
Wait, can
I
you
don't
run and
think
jump
that's-
if you try?
I mean, you can run and jump and reach it. But I can't reach all the way up there. No, got it.
You go to the first floor at least.
Okay, we'll go a little bit back and check out. Is
I don't
there
have enough range to actually get this.
stuff? I hope for stuff, not monsters. There's something. Okay, kaut kas ir zils. Skarts.
Klausies, jā.
Es atradu visus mošķus.
Ministers, no.
Tur nebija lūda, bet tur bija mošķi. Es jau domāju, ka mūsu tajā kartas galā viss baigi mierīgi un klusi ir. Izrādās mošķi ir aizgājuši uz otru kartas pusi.
Get myself up. There. No, that didn't work.
Šitais, jo tikko mēs tur arī šodien ieteicu ideju, ka varētu viens otru pacelt augstāk.
Ow.
Šitais bijis.
Oh, that's 30 HP down. Okay. That was not worth it.
Nu, par nelaimi Shadowrais ir miris.
Ah, fuck.
Jā, es
Again?
cīnījos ar klaunu ļoti ilgi, un tāpat viņš man nosita.
Viņi nedod klaunu virzienā.
Tumble launch ir baigi vājš.
Garlaicīgākais šajā spēlē gan ir, ja tu esi miris viens pats.
Ended up destroying so much stuff.
Aha.
Well, that could do like.
Now we're kind of grasping at straws.
Es galvenais, ka sākumā es nomiru un iekrītu ar visu taču, iekrītu ar visu taču.
Lāde bez muguras. Un pat nepaskatījās. Kapis neataisīts.
Kurs? Ej, pie mājām uzskatīja, es māju, taisīt tos skapus vairām.
Slendermans.
Maybe all the way up at the start.
Frog
Oh
shift.
no, I think someone died. Fuck that.
Bug me on that, I feel.
Man liels aizdoms, ka mēs atkal būs tas, ka Sims būs pēdējais dzīvais palicis un viss cerība būs uz viņu. Bet galvenais, mums nauda bija gana daudz, Mēs pakāsām, man liekas, baigi daudz piķi, tā ka tas klauns apšāva pirmo reizi mūsu kubus un naudas maisu.
Jā, tur aizgāja.
Vai tur jau bija 1000?
Nothing here.
Mums, jā, paskaidri, mums bija viena puša štuka pa īstu, bišķi vairāk, un 2 štukas pa īstu.
We could kill a frog so long as we manage to bash it upside down.
How do you do that?
Well, basically, you grab it and you go up, down.
Tā, kas mums te notiek interesants?
Okay.
Viņi ies cīnīties ar
Look
vārdu.
for one.
Kas gan var noiet
Over
greizi?
here, so I
Tā
can-
kā viņiem HP īsti, abiem diviem daudz.
Oh, there it is.
How do you pick it up?
Like this. Well, provided I can actually grab it.
Jā,
Vajag
pacelties.
abiem diviem, viņiem abiem diviem vajag.
Jā.
But now he's not in a place where he can do.
Tāds tūlīt
Yeah,
nomirst.
be careful. He's gonna keep damaging you. Yeah, there we go. Now we can. Okay, 1.
Two,
Up.
3.
Oops.
Ooh.
Yeah, okay, no, we don't have enough strength even with the pool. Right. Okay, that's a bad idea.
Let's run.
Interesanti,
Nu, viņi varētu varbūt mēģināt pie malas kaut kādu caurumu.
Jā.
Viņi iegāst iekšā, ja viņi kustināt to vārdu bišķi, viņi var viņu pacelt, nevar. Reku paskatās, tā caurums tieši ir.
Galvenais pašiem neiekrist.
Nu.
Put in a pit. Can you throw it in pit?
We could, provided we can actually put it in there. Aim it.
Oh, no.
O,
Laikam,
tā!
Welcome!
Possible solution.
Jā.
Come on, jump in the pit, won't you?
Nē, ideja laba jau.
Ah,
Jā.
Oh,
God damn it. Oh man, that was.
That was something.
Man,
Game over.
And me genuinely tweaking when you pass the closed chests and
Last
closets as well.
standing.
Oh, because there were stuff? Everything?
Yeah. There are chests and closets that were not open.
Ah.
Potentially
some
some
of them
loot.
end up getting closed as well.
It's hammer time. Ah. Ah.
Sweet.
Au. Au. Kaut tur.
ir jādara.
Izdzīvo, tas, kurš pēdējais izdzīvos, tas uzvar. Au. Nē, es neesmu gatavs. Ha! Ha! Nē.
Mēs vienam daudzāks.
Haha! Uzvara! Cerams. Čot nekas nenotiek. Okay. King of the losers.
Yay!
You got lucky.
lucky.